Hey everyone, let's dive right into the exciting sneak peek of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, shining in both classic black and sleek white. It's got that familiar vibe we loved in the Xiaomi 13 Ultra but turns up the style with a cool textured pattern on the camera section. And oh, that splash of gold around the camera? Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Now, for the photo buffs out there, this phone is a dream come true. With its Leica lens-equipped quad cameras plus extra sensors, it's ready to snap breathtaking shots, day or night. Xiaomi's not missing a beat with the trend of flat edges that we've seen in the latest iPhones and Galaxy S24 series. The screen? Practically edgeless. There's even chatter about a fancy titanium finish like the Xiaomi 14 Pro and whispers of a sneaky under-display camera variant. If true, it's going to give Samsung and iPhone a run for their money. The camera lineup is nothing short of spectacular. A main 50-megapixel sensor that's huge, alongside 3 more 50-megapixel cameras for ultra-wide, 3.2x zoom, and 5x zoom shots. And for the selfie enthusiasts, a 32-megapixel front camera promises to make you look your best. Feast your eyes on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra's dazzling 6.73-inch QHD plus AMOLED LTPO display with smooth 120Hz scrolling. A beefy 5,300 mAh battery is there to keep you powered through the day and night, with super-fast 90W charging. All this, plus the latest Snapdragon powerhouse chip, ensures this phone flies through tasks. Dunk it in water? No worries. It can take a 1.5-meter dip for 30 minutes. It's launching with the fresh Android 14, Hyper OS, and you can get your hands on it globally starting February 25th, along with its siblings, the Xiaomi 14 and 14 Pro. What do you think about the Xiaomi 14 Ultra? Drop your thoughts below and hit that subscribe button for the latest tech scoop. Catch you in the next video.